Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Kenya. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser and in the search bar, you need to simply paste this link. I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could click on it and you will be landed on this page. Now here, press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and search for Kenya. Now, as you can see that Kenya is available in this list in the African countries. So simply click on Kenya and you will be landed on the PayPal's homepage where you can basically create your account here. So now click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner. Select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. Let's say you have selected a business account. So after selecting it, click on get started. Now provide your personal details like your first name, your last name, your email address and your password, and you need to agree to these terms and conditions. This way, on the next page, it may also ask you to provide some of your details relating to your business. So you need to provide those as well. And this way you will be able to open your account in Kenya. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.